There are at least 6 ways the new 2026 Hyundai Tucson will turn Hyundai haters into believers. With all the improvements that are coming, skeptics will be left without any material for criticism, because the new generation will be so good that it could easily become a class leader. Let's start the countdown. Number 6. Less polarizing look. Let's talk about one of the biggest issues at the moment, the current Tucson's exterior design. While automotive journalists praised its bold styling and dramatic character lines, many everyday buyers found it too aggressive or unconventional for their tastes. The sharp angles, pronounced wheel arches, and that distinctive grille created a love it or hate it reaction that cost Hyundai potential sales. The 2026 model is changing this approach completely. Hyundai is abandoning the sensuous sportiness design language in favor of their new Art of Steel philosophy, which debuted with the stunning Initium concept. This shift brings a more balanced aesthetic that maintains visual interest without alienating conservative buyers. The front end is getting a complete transformation with a cleaner, more geometric grille design that looks sophisticated rather than aggressive. The new pixel-inspired LED headlights create a modern signature without the polarizing elements that turned off some buyers. Instead of the current model's complex surface treatments, the 2026 Tucson will feature cleaner body panels with subtle character lines that enhance the SUV's proportions without overwhelming the design. What's particularly smart about this new direction is how Hyundai is balancing boldness with approachability. The 2026 Tucson will still look distinctive on the road, but it won't make buyers worry about what their neighbors might think. This broader appeal should translate directly into increased sales, especially among buyers who previously considered the Tucson too flashy for their lifestyle. Number 5. Genuine luxury. Critics have long argued that while the current Tucson's interior creates a good first impression with its stylish design, closer inspection reveals it's still fundamentally a mainstream cabin. The materials might look premium from a distance, but touch them and you'll find hard plastics masquerading as soft touch surfaces. The overall fit and finish, while improved from earlier Hyundai models, still falls short of the genuine luxury experience that buyers expect when seeing such aesthetics. This superficial approach to premium design has been a consistent complaint from automotive reviewers and owners alike. The current Tucson's cabin looks the part in photos and during brief showroom visits, but daily ownership exposes the cost-cutting measures that separate it from truly luxurious interiors. Panel gaps that aren't quite perfect, trim pieces that feel hollow when tapped, and materials that show wear faster than expected. These details matter to discerning buyers. The 2026 redesign is addressing these shortcomings with what amounts to a complete interior philosophy change. Hyundai is moving beyond the appearance of luxury to deliver the substance that backs it up. Real soft-touch materials are replacing the convincing-looking plastics, while genuine metallic accents with sophisticated satin finishes are taking the place of painted plastic trim pieces. But the transformation goes deeper than just materials. The new interior architecture demonstrates improved engineering precision with tighter panel gaps, more substantial feeling switches and controls, and better overall assembly quality. Sound insulation receives a major upgrade with additional acoustic materials and better sealing that creates the quiet cabin environment essential to a premium experience. Even the basic design approach is becoming more sophisticated. Where the current model relies on visual drama to create impact, the 2026 Tucson focuses on understated elegance that reveals its quality through touch and daily interaction. This shift from flashy to refined represents Hyundai's growing confidence in their ability to compete with established luxury brands on substance rather than just style. Number 4. More user-friendly tech features. While the current Tucson comes loaded with technology, many owners complain that the systems are frustratingly complex or poorly integrated. The infotainment interface can be confusing. Voice recognition often fails to understand commands, and some safety features are overly intrusive. These usability issues have given critics plenty of ammunition to argue that Hyundai prioritizes flashy features over practical functionality. The 2026 model is bringing Hyundai's revolutionary new Plios Connect infotainment system, which represents a complete philosophical shift toward user-friendly design. Built on Android Automotive OS, this new platform offers smartphone-style intuitive operation that eliminates the learning curve plaguing current systems. The interface responds quickly to inputs, menus are logically organized, and customization options let drivers set up the system exactly how they want it. Voice recognition is getting a massive improvement through the integration of Glio AI Assistant, which offers Chat GPT-like conversational abilities. Instead of memorizing specific commands, drivers can speak naturally and the system understands context and intent. This technology makes the Tucson feel genuinely advanced, rather than just feature-packed. Physical controls are making a strategic comeback as well. While the system offers extensive touchscreen capabilities, Hyundai is preserving dedicated buttons and knobs for frequently used functions like climate control and volume adjustment. This hybrid approach gives drivers the best of both worlds: advanced digital capabilities when they want them, and immediate physical access when they need it. Number 3. New hybrid systems. One of the biggest criticisms leveled at Hyundai has been their hybrid technology, which many considered inferior to Toyota's proven systems. The current Tucson hybrid, while efficient, suffers from occasional hesitation during power transitions and lacks the seamless operation that buyers expect from modern electrified vehicles. The 2026 Tucson is introducing Hyundai's next-generation TMED2 hybrid system, which addresses every weakness of the current setup. This upgraded technology promises significantly better performance and fuel economy while delivering the smooth, refined operation that current hybrids sometimes lack. Combined output is is increasing to approximately 240 to 250 horsepower, while fuel efficiency improves from 38 miles per gallon to potentially over 40 miles per gallon combined. The new system introduces smart regenerative braking that adapts to driving conditions and learns from driver behavior. This technology eliminates the jarring sensation that some drivers experience with current regenerative systems, making the transition between regenerative and friction braking virtually imperceptible. Power delivery becomes more immediate and predictable, addressing the hesitation that occasionally affects the current model. Vehicle-to-load capability is another game-changing addition that extends beyond typical hybrid benefits. The 2026 Tucson will be able to power external devices up to 1.9 kilowatts, making it useful for camping, emergency situations, or outdoor work. This functionality transforms the vehicle from just a mode of transportation into a mobile power source that can handle everything from laptops to small appliances. The plug-in hybrid variant is receiving even more significant improvements. Electric-only range is increasing to over 40 miles thanks to a larger battery pack and more efficient energy management. This improvement puts the Tucson PHEV in direct competition with the next-generation Toyota RAV4 plug-in hybrid, while offering superior technology integration and user experience. Number 2. Cutting-edge drivetrain technology. Beyond the hybrid improvements, the 2026 Tucson is introducing drivetrain technologies that were previously exclusive to much more expensive vehicles. The new e-all-wheel drive system with vehicle-to-load capability represents a fundamental advancement over traditional all-wheel drive systems, offering both superior traction and unprecedented versatility. The e-all-wheel drive system uses an independent rear electric motor that provides instant torque distribution without the mechanical delays of traditional systems. This setup delivers superior traction in challenging conditions while enabling torque vectoring capabilities that improve handling and stability. The electric rear motor can also operate independently during low-speed maneuvering, providing precise control in parking situations or tight spaces. Vehicle-to-load functionality extends the utility far beyond typical SUV capabilities. The 2026 Tucson can provide up to 3.6 kilowatts of power output, enough to run camping equipment, power tools, or even emergency home backup during outages. This technology transforms the vehicle into a mobile power station that can handle situations where traditional vehicles would be useless. The system also introduces advanced drive technologies including eHandling 2.0, eVMC 2.0, and eRide 2.0. These systems work together to optimize ride quality, handling precision, and overall stability through sophisticated electronic control of the drivetrain and suspension systems. The result is a driving experience that feels more refined and controlled than traditional mechanical systems can achieve. Number 1. Gas-only engine remains available. Perhaps the most important change for skeptical buyers is what Hyundai isn't changing: the availability of a traditional gasoline-only powertrain. While competitors like Toyota have moved entirely to electrified systems, Hyundai recognizes that many buyers still prefer the simplicity, reliability, and lower maintenance costs of conventional engines. The 2026 Tucson will continue offering a refined 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine that's been updated for improved performance and efficiency. While the current version produces 187 horsepower, the new iteration could see output increase to around 200 horsepower through optimized combustion processes and reduced internal friction. This represents meaningful improvement without the complexity of electrification. For buyers who prioritize proven reliability over cutting-edge efficiency, this engine choice removes a major barrier to Tucson ownership. Traditional gas engines are familiar to service technicians everywhere, parts are readily available, and long-term maintenance costs remain predictable. There's no battery degradation to worry about, no complex hybrid systems to potentially fail, and no learning curve for operation. This strategy gives Hyundai a significant advantage over competitors who have eliminated traditional powertrains entirely. Buyers who want advanced technology can choose from multiple hybrid options, while those who prefer conventional systems aren't forced into unwanted complexity. This flexibility addresses one of the most common criticisms from traditional buyers who felt pressured toward electrification before they were ready. With all these updates and upgrades in mind, it's clear that Hyundai is aiming for the class-leading position. But that won't be easy, considering that key players are getting updates as well. Check out this video about the 2026 Honda CR-V, which you can now see on the screen. This SUV is getting a mid-cycle refresh with updates that could finally put it ahead of the RAV4 in terms of sales numbers.